What's up, guys? A little bit of a slow day today. Fortunately, not a lot of action in the market. I wasn't expecting a lot of stuff to happen today. I was watching the news this morning, Bloomberg News, that were reporting a bunch of things, and they were saying the bond market was issuing a warning with a recession and all that kind of stuff. So I think today there was a lot of people on the sidelines that took it easy, just watching the market from a distance. And I took a trade here on SNAP. I'm going to show you right now what happened. I also was watching the New York Times. Weight Watchers had a great morning right out of the open. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to capitalize on that. There were a couple of things that happened, but let me show you here. I'll see you in a moment. Hey guys, quick recap here. I'm going to jump into the SNAP trade. I took a stab on this stock here. A little bit of a slow day for me. I came to the market not expecting too much to happen. I was listening to Bloomberg News in the morning. They were talking about the bond market issuing a warning of a possible recession in the economy and all that kind of stuff. But you know, there's a lot of things that have been going on in the past couple of days. So I came to the market not expecting a great deal of stuff happening, since futures market was actually up in the pre-market hour. The last hour and a half, it just rolled over and we opened. I think it was like 350 points lower at the open today. Don't quote me on that, but I think it was around there. Anyway, I was looking at SNAP here on the 1 minute time frame, and we had a little bit of consolidation around here, if you notice. And I was looking for the breakout of the high of this candles right here, 1575. Right out around the open, it opened right here. I was watching it while I was live streaming. And again, I was telling you guys that I was looking for a 1575 breakout to get into a push of 16 bucks out. There's a couple of levels here at the daily that I was watching, and if you look right here, I was looking for 1575 right here, and then $16.63 for the following level on the daily chart. Okay, and so when this stock broke, had a nice pop. I would told you guys I was looking to sell some of my position while it was pushing all the way to $16, because I thought that $16 being the round number was going to encounter a little bit of resistance up there. So I was looking to sell on the way up to the 16 bucks, and I sold a portion of my position, and I was risking around right here, the low of this candle. The green candle right here, if you notice, the low is 1569. If you notice right here, we have a trend line. And on the way down, you know, when I noticed that right here it got back inside, you know, I basically got break even on this trade, because I took a nice portion on the push up, but the remainder of my position, this thing actually rolled over to the downside. It took me out for a loss there. So I basically gave back a lot of the profits that I had, and plus the commissions and all that kind of stuff. I could say I could probably pretty much broke even on that trade. That was the only trade that I took today. I was also looking at ACB again today. If you notice right here at the open, this is actually what happened. I'm gonna show you the 5 minute time frame. It's a little bit better to see what was going on the 5 here. So if you notice right here, we had this pennant right here, and I was looking for the breakout. This thing was actually printing like around here like that, and it was back then when it was actually printing. We were not even under this candle here, and I was looking for the breakdown of this thing, but I wasn't so sure, because obviously, you know, like I told you, the market hasn't been giving us a lot of follow through today. And the same thing with Weight Watchers. So I was looking for a breakdown here. It got down here, but I didn't feel too comfy though, because the low of this candle right here for the pennant was actually $6.57. If you notice, the low of this candle right here, $6.58. So by 1 penny, it didn't break the lower candle here, the support. So I didn't feel too confident though. I got not a lot of follow through in the market today. I was also watching Weight Watchers and the New York Times and NYT, and I was looking at Weight Watchers right here on this consolidation all the way back here. If you notice, we had a nice channel here, a bunch of consolidation. I was looking for the stock to break out of there. If you notice right here, it got out and push all the way to the high around 29.50, around here 29.52. But again, slow mover. The moves have been pretty slow today in the market, no follow through, and I didn't feel too confident. I was watching at the New York Times right here, NYT, with this nice pennant, broke down and it started to bounce around here. Now when I saw this happen, by the time I got into this stock here to watch this stock, this was already long gone. But I noticed a nice pattern here in the 1 minute time frame for a nice breakdown of this pennant formation, a little bit of a bounce around here, and look at the nice push up to get inside of that pocket over there. Just as of right now, it's been holding on to support. If you notice right here on top of the 50 simple moving average, it just broke down just a second ago. I just took a picture and I posted it on Twitter. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick recap here of what happened today. Slow day for me, basically no money for me today, and stepping out of the market. Pretty slow market as of in the last few days. Yesterday had a decent day. The day before, no trade. So this week been so. Not the best market to be trading in. But again, it's August. I'm waiting for September to come in, and I am actually very comfortable not taking any trades if I don't have to. Stay in the sidelines if you have to. Just take it easy, guys. Hope you enjoy the recap. If you haven't done so and you like the content that I'm putting out, just please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's just connect over traderscolony.com. Online community, free access to everything, no questions asked, no credit card needed, nothing at all. Thank you guys for listening, and happy trading.